Hello there. In this video, I will guide you on how to set up your camera, microphone or speaker in Airmeet platform. Let's get started. The first time you register and enter the event, you will be led to this page wherein you can set up your camera. You can simply click on this V icon and select the different camera that is integrated inside your computer and select them as per your need. Same with the microphone. Simply click on here and select the type of microphone that you want to use and set it up from there. And also for the speaker. Now if you want to test your audio and video, then you can simply click on here and test your camera, your microphone. You can simply click on this button to record your microphone and see how it works. And same with the speaker. Once done, you can click on done and you're good to go. Now from this camera and microphone setting, you can also set up your virtual background. You can simply select the background that you want to choose and see how it looks like on your background. Once you are ready, you can join the event. Sometimes you can also give your video or camera permissions by clicking on this video icon. And you can give the permissions for your camera and mic from here as well. Now if you have raised your hand and gone to the stage or have been invited to the stage, while on the stage you can simply click on this two-line icon and set up your camera, virtual background, microphone or speaker from here as well. Now let us understand how to set up your camera and mic while you are on the social lounge. Simply click on join button to join any table on the lounge. And while on the virtual table, you can simply click on this two-line icon and set up your camera and microphone settings from here. Well, that was easy, right? Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.